and happy. From childhood to adulthood, birthdays bring about a unique combination of memories, emotions, and experiences. Us to share and be a part of her very special and very important day of her life. Let us all stand up as to share and be a part of her very special and very important day of her life. Let us all stand up. Again, palakpakan mo natin sila. Pinaya mo na dun sa isa. Make us circle. Dance. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin.
Sa pagpunta kahit po mabaha, pumunta po kayo. Actually, ang dami pong nag-cancel para lang dahil sa baha. Sana lagi kang makinig ni Mami na this is my wish. Sana lagi kang be kind to others and mag-aaral ng mabuti. That's it. Yun lang ang wish ko para sa'yo and may God bless you always. And may God bless you always.
Especially for this very special day, you bless us also the food that we have right now that we're going to share.